If you're ready to learn how to do the hula hand, stay tuned. Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. Before I start my video today, I just wanted to give a mahalo to all of you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for sharing your experience with my hula videos. I love to read about how people have been wanting to learn the hula for a while, and they just haven't had a means to do it. You've been sharing with me, some of you have visited our islands or maybe grew up here and moved away and there's no hula for you to do. I really appreciate you sharing those stories with me because it encourages me to continue to make these videos and to share my gift of hula with the rest of you. So if you're just tuning into my channel and you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button here, and you're also going to see a bell. Click on that too. That way, every time I release a video, it's right in your inbox. I do have a question that I'd like you to respond to. I'm so curious to know, where are you watching my videos from? If you could type in where you're from below, leave me a comment. I'd love to read it so I can respond. I'd also appreciate a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and continue to share my hula, my videos with your friends. Until we see each other again, ahui ho, mahalo for tuning in, and aloha. Okay everyone, let's go ahead and get started on how to do the hula hand. I'm going to step back a little bit. I'm going to extend my arm out and I'd like you to follow me. In hula, posture is so important. In order to keep this nice straight line of my arm in hula, I'm going to have to start here at my shoulder, making this a little bit firm. These muscles are all firm because in hula we actually do not wave our arms like we're flying. We don't do that. We keep our arms tight. We keep it a little bit tense. Sometimes we do bend it a little bit, but the overall motion is a firm motion. I'd like you to start with your fingertips out here. Now, one of the things about the hula hand is it's a very slow and ongoing motion. I want you to go ahead and relax your fingers just a little bit. We're going to be using our wrist as well as our hands. And let's just go ahead and warm up our wrist a little bit. Can you just flip your hand down and up, down and up, down and up, keeping the rest of this nice and firm, okay? Starting with your fingertips straight ahead, I'm going to teach you how to do the hula hand. One of the things that I teach every single one of my students is a visual, and I'd like to share it with you. Pretend that you are standing in the ocean and looking back at the shore. Your fingers are going to mimic the waves as they pull back to the ocean and come back up onto the sand. Let's practice that together. Pull back and up on the sand. Pull back, up on the sand. Keep going. Notice that we're using only our wrist and our fingers. We're not moving our arms or upper body at all. Everything is in the wrist and the hand. Now your arm might be getting a little bit sore right now. Maybe these are muscles that you're not used to holding up. Now there are a couple of things that I want to make sure that you are not doing. That you are not doing the ocean move as your hula hand. Now notice when we do this, it causes our arm to move. This is the hula motion for ocean if we were telling the story about the ocean. Right now we are doing the general hula hand. So you want to make sure that you are pulling the ocean back and out, back and out. Another thing that I see some dancers doing is they are reaching and trying to do a motion like this, almost like you're trying to pet something, okay? The hula hand is a continual motion. Down, up, down, up. We're not reaching for anything. We're not petting anything. We're just going down, up, down, and up. Okay, go ahead and relax your arm. I also have another little quirky trick that I'd like to teach you. It might help some of you. It does help a lot of people to remember which way your hand is supposed to be going. Okay, so follow along with me. We're gonna go ahead and put our hands up here, and I want you to smooth your hair and curl your hands like this. Smooth your hair, and you notice that we're actually doing the hula hand, smoothing our hair. Now, if we were to do the wrong hula hand and we were going to do the ocean, we would be messing up our hair, and nobody wants messy hair. We all want smooth hair. So smooth, 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 and smooth. And now, same thing with your hula hand, and smooth, smooth. Keep waving just like that. Very nice.